Asayaya rap code leron asamba nama-artist asemzansi rap code Nasty, MG, Lasty, Duncan, Sagwe, Big Zulu asebathatha ke manje 180 bars show record awuthi ngithatha ipeni ephepha ngenze fast ngivulishela ngiyazi umdala uzongehlela zonke ifisi uzongifezela ngibonga uNkulunkulu ngelife yami ungikhanyisela manje rap iphila kimi ngumjuluko nenyembezi bhala gcwala ipeji kusekuhle solo sibamba ipeni manje siyabangena ke bafana ngcono nivula igate bafasa ikatari basezirapa ngizodlala ama-strings themba uNasty C ngoba nguye ophethe u-strings and blings themba u-MG ngoba nguye ophethe i-Durban Traps themba uDuncan noLasty on Ring of Lies manje siyabangena ke bafana ngcono ubulumbawu sako noDuncan abangifakayo kasi-rap kanu MT noNasty abangifakayo ka-hip hop bhala phela ibhuku njengoskuvu efuna ibukubuku skuvu ngisa itubu umasarepa ngoba ususa inhlungu skufa amakulufa nakukufa sakulufa nasebusuku siyakulufa ingoba insimbi yakuchuka dlala itsikitsiki mase sifuna ukudala isipitshipitshi sidlala ipikipiki mase sifuna ukudala isipitshipitshi uDuncan noLasty abasidlalela itsikitsiki kanu MT the hustle odlalela ipikipiki sibonga umculo wenu ngoba manje sesiyapopa mrepo lodumile nasekasi ngimiposa bangibiza ngel-280 ngiblome ekasi ngifake i-All-Star bangibiza ngel-26 emobhayisa ngikhiphe i-Okap faka ibhala klafa ngoba ngifuna abasongipopa HS in this game wena usemabhayini ngirap isimanje manje bheka manje solangiwi ngomrepo lodumile bayangazi lemganwini ngibadropela ihit anginendaba nezibhimbi sekufika ushune enkabi ingadla ngahla inkalakatha sekufika incaka sikhondla khodla inyakanyaka banika u100 bars ngale verse sibakhulule sibekucala sibekugcina like Genesis nesambulo 180 bars urap code uyakhuphuka manje siyabangena ngale verse siyabaketula we broke them into pieces manje siyabaqedula bonke baphasi ngale rap ngiyabakhuphula bangibiza ngo-rap code ngoba vele ngiyakhafula cela ningixolele mabekhona engibonile ngiyazi umdala uzongehlela ngoba naye ngiyamdumisa bengiyitha senginipraise ngoba nani nangikhulisa emculweni sengimdala sengikhulile sengisimile ngibonga umculo wenu nasekasi bangivumile phinde ngibonga umdali naye ngoba naye sengigcinile ngibonga uNkulunkulu izitha zami usinqobile bebe ngifuna ngiwe phasi kodwa manje sengivukile ngibonga uNkulunkulu izitha zami usinqobile kodwa bebe ngifuna ngiwe phasi kodwa sengivukile i-rap king uNasty C i-trap king u-MT ngibonga umculo wenu all my life I've been trapping urap kodwa uyarapa kanandaba nama-question kodwa ngibonga umdali ngoba naye nama-blessings bhala ingoma zami anginandaba nama-haters ungenzeni inkosi indlala ngoba ngifuna i-softline angifuna baranayo ngoba ngimophethe i-stopsign phethe imali ngimobhayisa ngikhiphe i-Okap and ngiphethe izinja zami zokugcwalisa emosha faka ibhala klafa anginandaba nama-hater plus ngiphethe izinja zami uNasty no-MT and ngiphethe izinja zami uDuncan noLasty HS in this game baba I'm still rapping nam 180 bars urap code ke lona benza sengipraise nama-artist asemzansi uNasty u-MT uDuncan uBig Zulu
I be crying when I see the bread. I never had it this easy. My tears drop like Weezy. My teardrops like Fiji. At the fucking top is where you meet me. But y'all niggas can't see me. Hey, I was born to win. Hey, I was born to win. Hey, I was born to win. I got racks on my mind and you know that. I got gold in my mouth like I'm Kodak. I done stayed all the time, I'm a nomad. I take care of all of mine and they know that. But they always gon' know where to do it.
Hey, back in this bitch like I never left. Lost my nigga so I'm by myself. This life thing put me to the test. I walk in here but without a vest. Surrounded by thugs, shooters and plugs, they showing me love. Hey, when I'm in the club, always somebody asking for a bug. Hey, had to let go of the I'm focusing up, cause they looking up. I had enough, had to get up. Years later, they ain't fucking with us. Hey, bitch, I was born to win. That's why I'm going in. I'm on these songs, tryna get on and sit on the throne again. Nobody doing it better. Me and my dog had to get together. I'm hella strong, Italian leather. Me falling off, my nigga never. Taking it easy, staying out the way. Too many people got something to say. Niggas be twerking, man, that shit is you want a feature, then you gotta pay. Hey, look how they treat me today. Back in the day, it wasn't the same. Even before or after the change, they always looking for someone to blame. And it's me, cause I came from the streets, I was born to win, Bitch, I was born to win, ayy. I was born to win, ayy.